Good evening. Today we will see how to download Turbo C. Type turboc8.com. So click on. You can see this is turboc8.com. Select this link. So this is the home page for Turbo C. Click on this download option. Then you can see varieties of Turbo C. It depends upon your system configuration. My system configuration is 64-bit architecture Windows 10. If your system is 32-bit or 64-bit Windows 8, Windows 7, whatever it is, choose as your wish. So my system configuration is Windows. Click here, direct download link. So then automatically download will start. See, save. See, download is started. Download started. See, I already download the software. Downloads. See here, Turbo C++ 3.1. Extract the file. Extract here. Then double click on it. Once you double click, it will ask for modification of changes. Click on yes. Then the installation process starts. Click on next. Then accept the agreement. Then click on next. Again, the installation process is started. Once it is finished, automatically we can see an icon in the here the desktop. See here, finish. See, this is the icon. So automatically it started. Yes, we need to test the whether it is working or not. See, type hash include stdio.h, then void main. I'm taking the variables here equal to 10, b equal to 20, and int the logic here. C equal to a plus b. Printf the sum is percentage d double quotation close comma c semicolon and write the get ch. Then close this and save the file. Shortcut is F2. Save the file as first.c. Click on OK button and compile the program. Alt F9. So there is no error. Press on any key. Then run. See, sum is 30. See, if you want to quit from this, quit Alt X, otherwise type exit. Then, so if you have any doubts, just ask me.